Okay. I don't think anybody's here yet. So. Shh. Shh. I don't know if my voice is doubling. So, if anybody knows that, holler at me. My Streamlabs. I was gonna clean my glasses. Hold on. My Be Right Back scene is underutilized because I don't stream that long usually, and then I don't be right back. I just be gone. I just be gone. And I didn't have time to update my rolling potato. It's still just a sliding potato. She just slides. We'll get there. We'll get there. All right, so let me clean these. Hey, how are things going for you this week? I love the broccoli. I want to add some more details to the broccoli because I feel like the broccoli could be. Oh yeah, for sure. I think we could add some. I don't even have the broccoli file on this computer, but it's like it's got this little piece of like brain sweat. It's got brain sweat, and I think it should be bigger because I think people would use it more if it was sweating harder. Like, I'm thinking so hard. No, it's Tuesday. It's still Tuesday. I also what did my thing say? I was like, is it what did it even say? Yeah, it's still Tuesday. I'm losing touch with reality here. I'm just doing whatever people tell me to do. They're like, be here at this time and talk to this person. I'm like, okay. Okay. I really liked this company I talked to on Friday, but the recruiter seems not completely together, and I don't. It was a what am I eating? It was a hat day for sure. It was a hat day. I feel like the hat goes better with the black glasses. I feel like when we wear the hat with the green glasses, it's like the greens, right? Like it's like when recruiters are disorganized and you think about how difficult it is to be a recruiter right now, and there's so much talent out there. It's just get it together. I was on the call with her and she was like, "Did I send you the questions?" And I was like, "No." No, you didn't send me the questions. And she sounded really excited about me as a candidate. And she was like, "Okay, I'll let you know by Wednesday." It's like, clearly, we've established it's not Wednesday yet, but there's these supplemental questions. And I had my interview on Friday at 4 my time. And I was like, well, I'll try to get them back to you today, but, it's end of the day. And so I sent her a little follow-up that was like a thank you note. And then also like, I'll let you know by Monday at the latest with these questions. Not let you know, but I'll get them to you. And then I sent them Sunday night just to be ahead of that. And then never heard anything. And I'm thinking if I was a recruiter, which I would be great at it, but I don't want to do that life. There's so many things in that category. I would do a receipt email. Like, thank you for sending these. I will let you know. Three words, 7 sentences. No, seven syllables. It's a haiku, basically. A haiku response. And I've heard nothing. So now I'm like, well, is she just bad at it? Is she ghosting me, which is also possible, even though I thought it was a good conversation. But I've been wrong before. This is why I would be the greatest of all time. I would just be like, what is it, 575? So thank you, Rachel. Thank you, Rachel. Hi. Thank you, Rachel. Let's go. Potato, 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 potato. Alan, you're subbed. You could just use potatoes. Just put them. Just throw them out there. We got crunches. I got your questions. Thank you. Have a good weekend. Great. I'm going to go ahead and say you're... Oh. That wasn't you. Yeah. Grat is the best at it. Most practice. Throw in potatoes. I gotta fix this. I gotta fix this rolling potato because it's so silly that it just like puts the sliver on the screen. We could all throw potatoes together. Yeah. See, that's the spirit. Even the crying ones. I'll fix it. Don't worry. We gotta iterate. What I've learned is that it puts up on the screen the last piece of the animation. So the last piece of the animation needs to be a full potato. So that informs me the way I should start the scene, like the screen. Oh. As if you haven't been doing stuff on your screen or your screen. You've been doing so much stuff. If you want to see someone do stuff on a stream, go watch the ID of Alan. If you want to watch someone not do stuff, stick around. I feel like I haven't done anything. I don't feel like I've coded that much this summer because I've been so despondent. I think that's fair. Yeah, it's the ID. It's the ID. We found out the hard way, Grat, because we tried to raid Alan, and the Theld of Alan is not this Alan. It's a different Alan. That is not it. It's not Theld. It's not Theld. Theld of Alan was not on, and they got a raid from us, and it was dark and gone. Yeah. I know. Actually, the appropriate sound at this point would be this one, which I don't know why I have it so high. It's like, why should all the sounds cost more? Every sound should cost the same. You're lying. I think you're lying. What is the Theld anyway? What is a Theld? Thelda. It sounds like something from a fantasy novel that's not real. It sounds like Zelda with a TH. Man, there's been some secret identity. Secret identity. Gosh. Yes. Correct. So that's not Alan. Alan is the ID, and then there's the bot of Alan, which is a bot. That's different. So, no. Okay. All right. So the goal for today is to not get distracted. I think I can do this in an hour and a half. When you see the bot of Alan and then you see the ID of Alan, it'll kind of make sense. But before that, it doesn't make sense. You're like, what's a Theld? Or you just accept it because usernames are made up. But the thing I like about Alan is that he doesn't apologize. Just leans in. I'm just gonna make all of my sound alerts the same cost. I also have more spaces for sound alerts now, so if anybody has also we're sneaking up on September, so that means I can put some birthday ones back in there. Did I have good birthday sound alerts, or were they annoying? Hopefully I get hired by somebody soon, and then I have to stream at a different time. Throw off everybody's schedule. Focus, Rachel. All right, so we're going to do this tutorial today because the frickin' bingo game has been so popular that we want to make a bingo, job search bingo card generator. And there are bingo card generators that are already built, like they have interfaces. There's bingo card generators in React, but they use numbers, because bingo is numbers. So to build one with a library that uses React in the front end, and we could put the things that we have chosen as bingo for job search bingo, we got to do it ourselves. So annoying. But I I don't know so much about these techniques in React, so I'm going to do a little bit of upskilling on that side. I've mostly done like, hell yeah, we do gotta do it ourselves. It's not Rust, Alan, I'm sorry. But for the most part, I've done like using React or similar frameworks to like make things look nice rather than like using the functionality of it. Hi, Maddie. Trying to think if there's anything I need to catch you up on. Yay, React. Mostly we just talked about how recruiters could respond to me in haiku, and that would be fine. A haiku response would be better than no response. Well, I think if you spend enough time developing, you're gonna react. You're gonna react at some point, right? You're gonna run into JavaScript at some point. It's just kind of like I just love analogies, so I'm trying to find a good one. It's just everywhere. I was gonna say it's like oxygen. It's more like nitrogen. Nitrogen is so common. But not as useful. Lingua. It's like lingua franca. I think the most useful. We're cat jamming, we're car jamming, cat jarring. Anyway, so what I was saying is, end goal is to make a bingo card generator using our job search bingo library in React, so that I don't have to make it in somebody else's program and update it in Google all the time. But I don't. The other funny thing is, I got a second interview at a job where it's like, that's like a fresh project. I was like, yeah, I use React all the time. I've definitely done all these things in like Vue, at Cyclic, and whatever. And it's I think they have other people in the pipeline, so I'm not really sure if it's gonna happen. But it's in September, and so that boy, welcome in. I was like, I should probably do a little bit more React before I have a technical interview in the first week of September. So I did 2/3 of the Scrum Book course. Trying to remember. I got most of the way through it. And then Leon. Hi, Leon. Leon was like, you don't need to know React. Oh, hi, Yak. Your cat isn't a polydactyl, right? I think everybody needs to know it. Okay. It's just big paw. Big paw. I was like, maybe? Yago. That's not gonna stick. I think you could know. I mean, you could. It's just helpful to know a front end framework. Mario. I don't know why it's so funny to me. I haven't seen a job description that's front end at all, that doesn't use a front end framework like a library. It's almost always React. Some places that are more okay, it's my fault. Yeah, it's my fault. It's my fault. I'll take it. I'll take it. So what I'm trying to say is that I've used it. I've done more like helping people host it. Cyclic's front end was all built in Vue. The designer that we had on staff is like obsessed with Vue. The only thing I can see with Vue that's better is like it's faster. Only where people will go vanilla. There's I'm reading this book right now called How to Be Weird, but I don't think that's what they're talking about. Is Grat still here? I think you would like that book. I'm only a couple chapters in though, so I can't guarantee it. Where is it at? How to Be Weird. How to... Also, I don't need advice. I'm like... I am at the tip of the top of the delicatessen with weirdness. How to be weird. How to be weird. Yep. Where? I hate Amazon links. Goodreads is also owned by Amazon, so it's kind of stupid, but... Medium lurk. Doesn't have to be the past. What are you thinking about specifically? It'll be October again. Oh, three. Well, Alan, it's how do I say this? It strikes me as a little bit Eurocentric. So that's not necessarily bad, but that is one thing. You still can. Just gotta get it back up on the horse. Yeah, I'm feeling like my review's gonna end up around here too. I loved the introduction, and then I started reading the like chapters, and I was like, meow. Look at this. Look at this curve. Look at this curve. Ah, Rachel, focus. Oh, you can't see it. You can't see it. It's sick. So sick. Can't see anything. Oktoberfest. Yeah, Oktoberfest is coming. Anyways, how to be weird. Well, it's middling. Okay. So those should not be rocket science, but I think it will be a good review of the basics. And then they do have a sandbox for it, but I think I'll do it locally just so that I can pop it in a repo. It's a baby. Do you hate React? What were we doing? We're doing Code Wars the day you were in here, right? You hate everybody hates everything. No one's like, "Oh, I love it. I love it so much. It makes me so happy." It's just a tool. Like, it's like saying, you know what? I hate hammers. I hate bandsaws. Oh. Well, everybody's grumpy. All right. Well, we can just hate things and be grumpy together. And you know what I'm grumpy about is that I didn't do more React learning in like June. All right. So what I was thinking was, so my partner is doing this class, and it's like a comprehensive React course, and they recommended this as like a side and a side, but I can't remember what the name of the course is. Oh, Alan, are you not grumpy? I feel like you have pretty decent outlook most of the time. Or are you grumpy and you're just assuming that there's people who aren't grumpy? What is his name? So I'm not gonna pull it out of the air. React course. Is it Tim? I can't. My brain is like, no, you don't know that. All right, so what we want to do is this is what we're gonna get. It's really pretty basic. Like, you can play Tic Tac Toe, and the computer will help you. Okay, great. So it tracks your moves, and if you want to like revert back, it's interesting, right? What's this song? Sorry. Well, do you do front end, that boy? This is a weird song. That's not annoying, right? So I think I said this a few weeks ago that I got a free access to masterclass. What would React babies look like? I love how the first step is install Node. Let me get to this page. Have you ever? No. You know the picture of Okay, so interesting. That picture of him surfing where his entire face is covered, like lathered in Sunscreen. I just imagine that. I can't think of him as a real person. He's become more of like a fake person, like a robot in my mind. And then Elon has become like a supervillain in my mind. Oh, we're lurking. There's not like a grumpy lurk. Well, I think some people still like him, which is just baffling to me. I was reading this article from the New Yorker last night about how governments have to like approach him as if he's a Democrat. No, as if he's a diplomat because he has so much power over like space and like communication systems, and now like how different countries interact with each other. Like, one dude should not have the power like that. Okay, hold on. I am trying to do this thing. Yeah. Um don't read. Alright, where is this? It says top left corner button and then choose file, export to zip. Top left. This? File, export to zip. Sure. Did it download? It did download. Okay. And then unzip. Okay. Nice. What is this? Okay. I mean, I guess. It's so weird that they called it VY6JA3. Oh, that's the name of the. That's the, whoa. That's the name of the Sandbox. I'm already in that, right? Alright, it has. Yeah. Okay. We're getting there. I think it scares me more than anything just because that person. Wow, this is a lot of modules. We're just making a Tic Tac Toe. Ooh, 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 ooh. How old is this tutorial? So many packages. This is why we hate Facebook. What did you think was going to happen? It's just Tic Tac Toe. It's making me nervous. Like, should I just do it in, if you get stuck, don't let this stop you. You know what's making me feel stuck? Security. NPM start. Okay. What did they put in there? okay. React must be in scope when using JSX. I feel like I do need to update something. Oh, React, is your thing broken? I wonder if it works in the sandbox. Alright, let's try updating the critically broken dependencies first. Unbreak that. Unbreak my heart. What was the what's the like fix force? Oh, it's not worth it. I just do it in the that boy, I think I might be on your side today. I'm not stuck. I'm just angry. I'm pretty sure it's because something is deprecated and they did not update their code. Alright, whatever. In the code sandbox, you'll see 3 main sections. In the files, you'll see the files. Great. Code editor. Perfect. And the browser. Okay. In the app.js. How long is this tutorial? Forever? Thank you for shouting out Techie Girl. Let's just yell at React for not updating their codes. Their tutorial codes. Techie Girl always shows up in the days when I'm doing tutorials and she doesn't like it. Alright, if I turn this fan on, let me know if it's loud and you hate it. Alan, you could write a tutorial about how to make Tic Tac Toe in React. Or better yet, write a tutorial about how to make a React version of a customized bingo board. And then I'll do that on screen. On Steam. Where am I? On stream. Yeah, Techie Girl just beats the shit out of people. on Street Fighter. Street Fighter. Also, Ernest has been sleeping behind the toilet. I don't believe it. All right, so we got exports. We got X. This is annoying that it's X. That's always the first step. Yeah, X is here. Barry Carter, you're so random. You're so random. When you show up. I wonder if we could change it to no, I don't want to do that. No free no free what? brain advertising for them. All right. The export, the default. The second line returns a button. Even better. This doesn't look like a button to me, but we'll take it. I just had lunch and I'm starving. Oh no, I wouldn't. I prefer the random. Prefer it. I think more random of like I just never know when you're going to appear. So, all right, I'm with you so far. React. I'm still mad at you for not updating your node modules, but we'll get there. So we're look at the CSS. This looks pretty normal to me. Is this what it told me to look at? Alright, okay. Index. The index will not be edited. Random quantum events. Should I feel weird about how this doesn't match that? No? I shouldn't feel weird about it? Okay, great. I guess they're just saying let me look at this again. Is this even the same code? This is a mess. Alright, this matches this. Okay. Building the board. I'm just gonna be in app.js from now on. Don't touch anything else, Rachel. Yes. hate this. Why would you ask me that? Do I have Python anywhere? Is this even... Yeah, I know about the empty, it's the return. Yeah, the return is open. Okay. That's what I mean about you being random. I just never know what's going to happen. And the first time you came in here, you were like, hey, look at all of my repos, and then we'll do something together. What? Why did it put those? That's bizarre. Okay, now I have 2. Why? But it okay, it had it. I guess it's just, figure it out, Rachel. 9. So now I just need to count to 9. I already had the... This will get me to 8. Really? What is it? 6? Is that 9? Whoa, what? Barry? What? What's going on? You need a timeout? Is that what you want? I don't want to fork it. I just want to save it. Alright. Counting visually. Oh no! Alright, so this is all pretty straightforward. I just wish that we could, what the hell's going on? Yeah, absolutely. But we don't need you to tell us what all the X's do, Barry. Alright. Oh my god. Looks like we are good to go with that. Just gonna make a lot of them. So many X's. It's just like 2023. Anyway, so cats. I don't know. What's better, cats or potatoes? I did take a deep dive on polydactyl cat feet today. Yes. It's not this. It's neither of those. When I was growing up, there was a indoor outdoor cat that lived around the block from me, and it had thumbs. I thought it was the best. It was the best. Did I name it Square? I didn't name anything Square. Aw, dude, I missed it. Oh, no, I didn't. I didn't. Just getting distracted by cats. Cat tato. Put a cat on a potato. Good to go. We had a bad storm last week, and it knocked my potatoes over. All right. I'm following along. Not really seeing the genius of React in this project yet. Oh, God. Made it disappear. Wait, why isn't it numbers? Oh, because they changed it to numbers. Wait. What? Why did it disappear? I'm bad at this tutorial. I didn't take all of my focus on things medication today, so that could be part of it. Thank you for the egg shout out. Yeah, it's a good cat. If you have a good cat, put some cats in the chat. If you don't have a good cat, you probably don't have a cat. So, also, potatoes will work if you don't have a potato. I mean, just get in there. We got some cat potatoes. That's right. So mad about this. I need to fix it today. Get some cats in there. All of Maddie's cats. I love them so much. Eddie, especially. Anyway, no cats, Alan. So somewhere it told me to update it to board, and then the board disappeared. So you can put a name square. It isn't really a square anymore. Let's fix that by changing it to board. Why did it go away? Uh-oh. Okay. Jazz cats, like those Someone came out from behind the toilet. Why did it go away? You want to go back in the closet? Okay, come on. No. No. Sorry, Ernest heard we talking about cats and then he got mad. Did I spell square wrong? Square. Board row. How did I break it? He's okay. Restore and refresh. Restore the name and refresh. Restore the name. Restore the name. Thank you, Techie. We need to return it to square. I call it square. It needs to be board. It's just the opposite. I already lost it. Change the name to board. Nobody cares. Okay, not you guys. You all care. The code box doesn't care. Yeah, it shouldn't change anything. This is just the name of the function. I haven't called it anywhere or exported it. So the whole point of React is that it shouldn't disappear. It should just update. Okay, good. This is like... Alright. Woo! Speedrun. Passing data through props. Props, props, props. Alright, so we need a new function called square. Right, I'm reading it. I'm reading it with my eyes. Hold on. First, you're going to copy the line defining your first square from your board component into a new square component. So we need a new square component. Looks like it's going above. It doesn't like that. All right. Doesn't like it right now because it's not doing anything. And then return is the button. The button, right? That's what it says. Okay. Got it. Got it. So then we gotta update. Update board so that we're rendering square. Using JSX. Okay, got it. Boop, boop. Slash this. So then it should all be like that. All right, tab. No, we don't care about you. We don't want a tab. Tabs are for people who deserve tabs. Formatting is for squares. Just kidding. Okay, great. Oh no. Oh, now we got props. Now we got props. Great. So at first this is going to just value. Yep. Okay. Got it. Great. That makes sense. Oh, interesting. Interesting choice, Rachel. Okay. There we go. Empty. I don't know why we have to do this. Oh, I guess we're naming them. Right, that makes sense. Okay, so value. Can I do the multi-select? Was it Command D? No. Control D. Oh. Don't do that. Okay, maybe it doesn't do that here. All right. Just do it the long and annoying way. Back to so many ones, because why not ones? Alright. It's okay. It's okay. It's a review. We love reviews. And if we have time, we'll fix it in local. Great. Back. We're back. We did it. We got props. Toot toot toot. Now we're gonna handle a click. So my friend just made this mix and it's so soft. So gentle. It's a gentle queer mix. So just gonna take out all of the stuff that I wrote in here because is this right? Any button within the return with the class name square. It's all good. All right, so function. Right? Handle click. Sorry, my bad. Handle it. Handle it. And then we're going to console log it. Sweet. Console.log. And we're console logging the just clicked. Great. So we made everything disappear. And then down here, return, add onclick to the props of the button. I don't need to take out anything, right? I'm just adding it to it. But the board disappeared because I removed the value. But the value's still there. It's just not being used. It's like, why did the board disappear? Was I not supposed to remove the other part? This is why I'm annoyed at this. If that's a return, it's like, I don't think they're putting the whole code here. So this return. Why did the board disappear when I took that out? Because the value is determined by the function square. Do you, if the you don't know either. I feel like if I step all the way through it, it'll be fine. But I'm like, I don't know where it go. Where do it go? Because down here, then the whole thing is back, right? Oh, but it says remove value from all of the 9 of those. Do they have it? Probably. Oh no, it's at the top. Sorry. I feel like this step is important, though. Wait. Uh, so that return is within the square function, I think is what is confusing to me. Yes? Download the Sandbox? Don't want to download the Sandbox. I wish I could slide this, but no. Alright, this is, yeah, so this return, I'm not messing with that one yet, but I'm adding a return within the square function. I think that's why I was confused. Okay, so, whoa, too much React. Okay. Sorry, scrolling is annoying. I was bold to think I could do this in like an hour. Let's see. Paid per word. Okay. All right. Yeah. That's on me for not reading it. Okay. Got it. Now I gotta write it again. So if we put the whole thing in there, where does the terminal show up? What is Cloud Sandbox? You can't have a terminal in the browser? You're a useless piece of noodles. Micro virtual machines. I don't want to. I just want it to be right here. Okay, Ag. If you need to go, just go. I don't even know if the references there are. Does everybody get those references? Here. Yeah, I guess always with us. Yeah, I guess always ready. Also, it's always a plan. I don't know what to do if I don't want to do. Meta, why do you make everything so terrible always? I'm gonna push the button. It's cool. Your buttons don't work. Oh, this is blocking it. Okay. Yee. It's still in the browser. If this is what they want you to use, why don't they just... It's stressing me out. Look at all these dependencies. Where's my live app? So the terminal's not working. Just wanna run. Just run it. Oh, they did it with yarn. What's going on, terminal? This is what I needed and you're not working, so... Sweet Pine, InQ and QHD. No, I don't want to. Just keep making terminals. Come on. It is literal trash. Sorry, I should have gone ahead and refreshed it, but it... Their old version wouldn't let me open a terminal, and that's what I need. Terminal. That's the thing I get annoyed at. It's like, oh, you know what we should do? Make everything fancy. When the thing that was already working, if we had just updated that, that was fine. That was doing great. This is buggy as hell. It's like I also can't do a lot of things. Oh yeah, I tried that first. Yeah, hold on. But I ran into... Maybe we can troubleshoot that faster. But I think... What is the... Creepy Pinky. Force update dependencies in node npm update save dev. I want to do force update dependencies. No, what is the force update? I think I think upgrade the versions, because there were a few that were like critically deprecated. But I'm not really sure if that's why this is breaking. Update npm. npm. This is super old. This is colorful. I'm gonna try that. See, it was a list. Just one. Okay, just update that. So that's weird. I think that this is the problem. Because React is in here already. So, what did it say? React scripts. Yes. We can import it here too. I thought that if you had it in the app.js and the app.js is coming through the your I mean, this is their code. I don't know. It's their code. They made the code. They sent the code to me. I don't know. I mean, it's not gonna hurt. Unless it does. npm. Wait, start? Is that what it was? Well, that fixed it. Okay. All right, techie. You win this round. Why wouldn't they put that in their own code? It's almost like they don't expect people to use it. It's like they don't expect people to use it locally. These absolute nerds. Alright, where is I at? Sandbox is ridiculous. I ain't gotten to here. Just take React. No. Take Facebook. Throw them away. Alright, back. And then I need to change this to function square. I should just copy pasted the whole thing. I don't know what I'm doing. I got flustered. You don't want that anymore? Unexpected token. So you want that? You don't want that? Why are you like this, React? No, you do need that. I know that you need it. Yes. It would have worked anyway if that rule was disabled. Why are you unexpected? It needs to be inside of something to render in JSX. I know this for a fact. Why does it not want to do it? Is there like something behind it that I don't see? These sandboxes, you being ding dong. Something else I'm missing probably. Square board. Value square. Square value. No. That should be working. It's busted. It's busted. This is how React should work. But it's because I put maybe in my stream title. I'm so confused about this file, which is not in the code file. They're just making things up. They're just like, you know what you need? You need a service worker. Does anybody know what this is about? In production, we register a service worker to serve assets from local cache. I love the Google short link. That's weird. ESLint. Disable next line. No param. Reassign. Rename app.js to app.jsx. Update the import and index.js to import app.jsx. Okay. Let's give it a whirl. Why can't it change the file type? Can I? I can't. Yeah, okay. And then we go to it's importing it from app. That do? That fix? Doesn't fix. Why was it need? Why would it need an extension anyway? Right? Ooh, ooh. It assumes it's a JS file. This is bizarre. Is it something about the strict mode? Do we not need strict mode? Yeah, I mean, if you I just want to get the Tic Tac Toe running, like that part is really just using state. But if I'm gonna do that, I'm not gonna do it today because I have to stop at 3. Like a normal person who has things in their life. I could still follow the instructions without using their ridiculous nonsense. You just wonder why everyone trashes docs all the time, but it takes so much time to like update stuff. At the same time, didn't they just make an entire new set of docs for React? Like, why wouldn't they have gone through the process of updating demos like this? I thought that, didn't they make like an entirely new set of docs for React? Where's React docs beta? These are the new docs. People are like losing their mind over how good they are. Okay, that's not that new. So last year people were like, the new React docs, the new React dots. It's like the legacy React docs were really bad, I guess. Meow. Okay. Well, what we learned today is, wow, don't do that. But their code of conduct says if you don't like something, you leave. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, they're not. They're fine. Fine is a great. That's a great That's great. This was suboptimal. It just seems like maybe the 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 starter code was forgotten a little bit. So enthusiastic. Everyone should be enthusiastic, right? There's some like marker of insanity with like how many exclamation points you use in an email. So I don't remember when I heard that, but it's like if you use more than two, if you use more than two in an email, it's like considered too much. 'Cause I'm a millennial. Like we definitely lean into too much punctuation. At least that's what the kids say. They're very subtle, these kids. The kids are not using punctuation. Also, ellipsis. My friend was just telling us she has two 5th graders, twins, and apparently we use like so I think she's 45 and I'm 30. Well, I'm 38. And so she's like we use ellipses too much. That's awful. Yeah. That's awful. You should just send them Clown Cat as a response. I just feel like the ellipsis is like they don't deserve Clown Cat. No one gets it. Clown Cat is like subtle. Okay. You get it. Okay. Okay. As a response to your emails? That's so rude. I just don't know why anyone would be rude to Maddie. Just like anyone. Like why would anyone be rude to anyone? But why be rude to nice people? Also, follow Maddie if you don't follow Maddie. I hated that song so much when I was a child, and now it's just like nostalgic. Well, I'm definitely not gonna sing it. I'm not gonna sing it. Apparently we're just gonna listen to the National. Alright, let me see. No, don't. Nobody click it. No, nobody click it. Where is Twitch? Okay. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right. They won't. I'm assuming that is what I think it is, but I'm not clicking it, and they won't allow it in Canada. So that tells you a lot. It tells you a lot about our culture. No, I'm not doing it. Not on stream. After stream, maybe. You can put it in the Discord. I'll listen to it later. Like I said, I don't hate it anymore. It's nostalgic. All right, we are gonna raid Danger, and hopefully I never do this again because I didn't like it. Thank you for coming. Thank you for enjoying things and being annoyed at this thing with me and saying hello to cats and potatoes. Um, um, cats and potatoes. It's a perfect combination. And we will see you on Thursday. And Thursday we will do a project I have complete control over, so maybe it'll go a little better. It's going to be a small raid, but a mighty one. Small, but mighty. Oh, Isabella Pets. Thanks for following. We're leaving, but I'm glad you're here. I haven't put my Indian thing on here that it matters that much, but yes. Bye, everybody. See you soon.